white. Then yellow. Then orange. Who's gonna be? Then rainbow. Who's gonna be last? And blue's last. And is black? Can white pass black? No, black is still in the lead. Is orange gonna pass black? Orange might be able to pass black. And black is still in the lead. And orange gets stuck. Black, I think, is gonna win. And black gets stuck. And green and white got stuck with orange. Can you hit them? Nope. Can blue hit them back? Nope. Can rainbow do it? And nope. So everyone's stuck. Even black's stuck. Because black is in the lead. Wait. And now they're both stuck. And black gets through. And they're going to be stuck, I think, all again. And black gets stuck again. And they're all stuck again. And who's going to win? This is the very first one. Black gets first. And rainbow's last, so rainbow's eliminated. Who's going to be first this time? And black's in the lead. And black's in the lead. And black is still in the lead. Can white catch up to black? Oh, it might, white, but no, blue not. Black is still in the lead. Can blue take over black? Can blue take over black? Maybe. It doesn't look like it though. Oh wait, maybe. No, it can't, but black gets stuck. Can blue make it? And no, blue's falls off. And it has to come back up here. And white gets stuck. White cannot make. Green pushes through. Nope. Now white gets here. And they all are stuck. So black's in the lead still. Is black gonna get stuck? No, black and orange might fly. And black gets first. Orange gets second. And they get stuck. And who's gonna get last? Yellow's last. So that means yellow's eliminated. And these ones move on. And orange is in the lead. Nope, and black is in the lead now. And orange take over the lead. No, black is still in the lead. And black's still in the lead. Orange is still in second. Can orange take over black this time? It doesn't look like it. Black is still in the lead. Is orange gonna get stuck? Yes, it is. Orange is stuck. And white falls. I'm gonna put these two, and black gets stuck. And blue gets stuck now. And green got stuck up here. And 3 are stuck. And green's gonna have to help all 3 of them out. And green gets stuck again. And green, nope. Help them. And who's gonna get the lead now? Who's still in the lead? And green gets eliminated. And there's only 4 more marbles left. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna be in first? And orange is in the lead. Orange is in first. Then black. Then blue. And white is last. And white past orange, maybe. And orange and black are neck and neck. And black pass orange this time. And black's in the lead if black passes orange. And orange gets stuck once again. And I think black's gonna win unless he gets stuck. Is black gonna get stuck? And black gets stuck. And white and orange are stuck. If blue can't help them, we're gonna push them. Can blue help them? And blue doesn't, so we're gonna push them. Are they all gonna get stuck? Yes, they are. Who's gonna win now? Hopefully, black is still gonna win. Black is first, and white is last. So that means white is eliminated. And who's gonna get in the lead first this time? Looks like orange is in the lead. Well, can blue pass orange? It doesn't look like it. Orange is still in the lead. Can black pass blue though? No, we can't. And orange is still in the lead. Black is and orange got stuck. Who's gonna help it? And it looks like blue is. And can blue take over orange now? Since orange got stuck. And black got stuck. And orange is still in the lead somehow. Well, not somehow. And blue gets stuck. Can black make blue go? No, they can't. And orange is stuck. And orange goes. And blue. And black almost got stuck. Orange is going to be in the lead. Orange wins. Black gets second, and blue's eliminated. Final 2 are orange and black. And who's going to be in the lead first? And black's in the lead first. still in the lead. It looks like black's gonna win. But if orange can catch up, orange might win. And black's still in the lead. And black's still in the lead. And orange gets stuck. I think there's no chance for orange to catch up to black now. And black gets stuck. Orange might have a chance now. Is orange going to tie it? Maybe. Or can orange get the lead? And maybe, who's going to win? And orange bumps black. Orange might win now. It doesn't look like it. It looks like black's going to win. And black wins. Don't forget to like and subscribe.